Everybody, welcome to our training non-life pricing and profitability analysis, the actuarial and data science toolkit. In this first video, I will present you the goal of this training and also the structure of the training. So let me start with the goal of this training. So we'll try to present you basic but also more advanced actuarial and statistical techniques that can be used for non-life pricing. We'll not focus only on non-life pricing, but we will also try to give you some additional examples on competition analysis and profitability analysis. To do this, we will not only present methodological aspects, but also focus on some practical problems. So we'll try to present you some examples, but also try to provide you some case studies that you will have to perform yourself. We'll try to not only introduce basic techniques like GLMs, but also machine learning techniques. We hope that it will let you the opportunity to open new perspective for your practices in terms of pricing, but also more generally in terms of product development. For this workshop, we will have you will have access to different training material. First, you will have access to e-learning modules, so that you can learn by yourself a bit when you want. So this e-learning modules will be preparation to the live webinars. The e-learning modules will be hosted on the RiseUp platform, which is our learning management system. That will allow you to look in a structured way at these e-learning modules. The second type of training material will be the slides and the live webinars, where we will present these slides. So that will give you the opportunity to ask your questions and for us also to present additional training material. So if you are not able to attend the live session, we will record the session so that you can also look at the replay. These live webinars will be hosted on Livestorm, which is the platform we use for webinars. And the last training material that you will have are case studies that can be performed by yourself between the webinars. So we'll use the R open source tool in order to perform these case studies. The structure, regarding the structure of this training, we have three separate modules. The first one on basic of non-life pricing, where we will try to explain new risk classification and the use of generalized linear models for this risk classification. We'll give also some examples and case studies in R. Then the second module is about advanced method for non-life pricing, where we'll try to apply machine learning techniques in the context of non-life pricing, once again with R examples and case studies. And the last module is about other practical application of machine learning in non-life insurance. We'll try to focus on other activities like the treatment of data before modeling, or the use of unsupervised learning techniques, or also the application of machine learning techniques for profitability analysis and competition analysis. So before presenting into more details these three modules, let me first introduce the speakers.
Hello, I'm Julie Zians and I'm working at Reacfin for 8 years. I have a bachelor in mathematics and a master in actuarial science. I'm a member of the Non-Life Center of Excellence, and I had the opportunity to work on various projects related to Solvency II, non-life pricing, or health insurance.
Hello, my name is Sam Mahai, and I will be your teacher for e-learning topics. I hold a master in engineering and a master in actuarial science. I started my career in the reinsurance sector, working on the UK market. I joined Reacfin 10 years ago, and I am now leading the Non-Life Center of Excellence, working mainly on DFA modeling, pricing subject for non-life and health insurance business.
And I'm Xavier Maréchal. I'm the CEO of Reacfin. I'm an engineer and also a master in actuarial science and business management. I work in consulting for more or less 16 years, mainly in non-life and health insurance, so for pricing, reserving, DFA models, and Solvency II. So I'm the CEO of Reacfin, which is a consulting company based in Louvain-la-Neuve in Belgium, and we are a spin-off of the University of Louvain. We try to propose actuarial and quantitative financial solutions to our clients that are mainly financial institutions. We have 3 types of services: consulting, where we offer consulting services in actuarial science and quantitative finance on different topics, so capital, portfolio, product, risk, and liquidity management. And we have also strong data analytics capacities. The second type of service is the tooling, so where we develop solutions in partnership with our clients, usually using open source software like R or Python. And the last service is Reacfin Academy. This is our training center where we share the knowledge with our clients. We have a comprehensive learning platform that includes on-site training, but as for this training, also e-learning modules and online trainings like webinars. So let me now present a bit into more details the agenda of the 3 modules of this training. Some of you will participate to the 3 modules and some of you to only 1 or 2 of these modules. So the first one is about basics of non-life pricing. So the expected duration for this module is around 6 hours, including the e-learning modules, the webinars, and the case studies. You will start with 3 videos in the first e-learning module, introducing these concepts, so risk classification, but also generalized linear model, and the application of generalized linear model for modeling claim counts with Poisson regression, attritional claims costs with gamma regression, and also using logistic regression and extreme value theory to model large claims. We'll have also some comments about overfitting, which is important when you are developing statistical techniques or machine learning techniques. Then, during the first webinar, we'll remind the main elements of the e-learning modules and also present you how you can, in practice, develop Poisson and gamma regression for modeling claim counts and claim costs. Of course, with the help of R. Then we will explain you also the case studies that you will have to perform between webinar 1 and webinar 2. In this case study, you will have to develop your technical tariff for frequency and cost with the help of R. We'll correct these case studies in the second webinar and also try to put everything that you have done to develop the technical tariff for pure premium of your insurance cover. And finally, we will present some practical difficulties that you can encounter with GLM and try to give you some clues on how to solve these difficulties. This is it for the first module. The second module is about advanced method of non-life pricing, once again with R. We expect that the duration for you to cover the topics of this module 2 will be around 8 hours, covering the e-learning modules, the webinars, and the case studies. In the first e-learning module, you will have 2 videos about generalized additive model and about penalized regression techniques. The goal will be to, of course, present you the methodology and some examples for these topics. Then you will have 3 videos about the machine learning techniques, so with an introduction, and then 2 videos about supervised machine learning techniques. It will give you the basic knowledge in order to be able to apply this technique in practice. So in webinar 3, we will remind the key elements of the e-learning modules, but also give you more information about cross-validation and parameters tuning to help you understand how you can calibrate in practice a machine learning model. Then we will present you also the case study that you will have to perform between webinar 3 and webinar 4. These case studies are about regression trees on claims frequency, random forest on average claim count, and GBM on claims frequency. So you will implement different machine learning techniques in practice with R. In the last webinar for this module 2, we will of course correct the case studies and also give you more information about the neural networks and how it can be used in pricing. This is it for Module 2. Module 3 is about the other practical application of machine learning in non-life insurance. The expected duration for this module is around 7 hours. And once again, it is composed of e-learning modules, webinars, and case studies. So in the first e-learning module, you will have 2 videos about data selection, pre-analysis, and feature selection that will explain how we can use machine learning techniques for this data preparation step. Then also a video about making machine learning interpretable to understand how you can understand the result of machine learning techniques. Then a last e-learning modules about unsupervised machine learning models like the k-means of HAC. In the first webinar of this module 3, we will remind you the basic elements you have learned yourself in the e-learning modules, and then give some example of the application of these techniques in practice with R. We will also present the case studies that you will have to perform between webinar 5 and webinar 6. So these are this one about data analysis and feature selection with random forest, interpreting result of machine learning algorithms, and detection of interaction between variables based on GBM. The last webinar of this training will be about correcting the case studies 5 to 7 and also introducing how you can use machine learning techniques to improve profitability and competition analysis with practical examples of how regression tree can be used for profitability analysis assessment. So I hope that you will like this training. Of course, we remain available if you have any question. You will receive step by step the training material for the different e-learning modules you are subscribed to. So once again, if you have some questions, do not hesitate to contact us. Good luck for the training. Bye-bye.